Explotrain is proud to introduce the world's largest most powerful loudest explosive blast simulator, the XOMG. Because size does matter. The patented XOMG is the world's largest explosive blast simulator, with a sound chamber nearly 2.5 times the size of any other simulator available. The sound and blast pressure levels of the XOMG are documented to be unmatched by any other training aid. Only the XOMG can produce the effects needed for effectively training mounted troops. The XOMG shares many features with Explotrain's other units. The XOMG can be remotely fired with the XLRT and a variety of trigger devices and simulated IEDs. Explotrain smoke accessories provide added realism. The XOMG fires on readily available oxygen and propane, eliminating the hassle of explosive and pyrotechnics regulations. The XOMG is exceptionally well suited for training with armored vehicles and mounted troop transport scenarios. The XOMG is perfect for simulating powerful explosions involving vehicle convoys. The blast is over 4 times louder than other simulators, and blast overpressure levels are high enough to make it the only training device capable of realistically simulating explosives for mounted troops. The XOMG is perfect for training with troop transports, vehicle convoy training, heavy armored vehicle attacks, and large IED simulations. Take your training to a new level of realism, safely, efficiently, and quickly with Explotrain's explosive blast simulators and the XOMG. The XOMG Explosive Blast Simulator by Explotrain. Because size does matter.